Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Panasonic headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily rename them in your iPhone. So, at first we have to enter settings and here we have to enter Bluetooth. Wait a moment, I have to lower the brightness. And now we have to tap on this info icon. Here we have to tap on name and now we can make any changes. As you can see, we can type everything, almost everything, for example some emotes, and done. Now our renaming process is done. But what if you want to bring back our name to the default one? We have to tap on name and here we have to tap on this X. Now done, and this is our default name. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.